Hi everybody, and welcome to Glenham Fire Department's brand new website. As a member of this department, you have special access to an area of the website known as the members area. So if you look over here on the left side of the page, on this black bar all the way at the bottom, you're going to see something listed as members area. Just give that a click. So after you click on members area, you're going to be brought to this screen where it will prompt you to enter a username or a password. Obviously, you don't have one yet, so I'm going to show you how to set that up. So you're going to go down here to this list. If you're an active member with the Glenham Fire Department and would like to gain access to the members area, please fill out the online application. So you're going to click online application, and it will bring you to this page. Fill out all this information. Member type, your rank, and then you're going to choose a username and a password. Once you do all that, you're going to submit your application. After you submit your application, it's going to tell you that it is pending approval and you will receive an approval notice within 24 hours. So I'm just going to go back, log in, and I'll show you all about the members only page. Okay, so here we are in the members only section of this website. So up at the very top, you're going to see announcements. So the most recent announcement we have here is the announcement that all events at the firehouse are going to be canceled. You're then going to scroll down and you're going to see our online calendar. This is where our drills and events and all things fun like that are going to be listed. But if you scroll down a little bit further, some special drills require sign-up sheets, and you can actually now sign up directly on this website itself, which is a great feature and a lot easier. Down below that, you see recent meeting minutes as well as recent documents. So you can see Constitution and bylaws, as well as the monthly company meeting minutes. So if you miss a meeting, you can come here and check out the minutes. Now, another important aspect of this section of the website is the email button. So you're going to come up here to the left side under user menu, and you're going to check email. So that button will bring you to this page right here. Welcome to Smarter Mail Enterprise. So to log in, your email address is going to be your first initial and your last name. So in the case of me, it is kmaupin@glenhamfire.com. Your password, it's going to be capital P, password, the number 1, and exclamation point. So it should be password 1, exclamation point. Everybody starts off with the same password. After you fill that in, you can go to your page and change your password. After logging in, it'll bring you to your overall email page. So this is your inbox, you have your drafts, and it works like a typical email. You'll have access to a calendar, all of your contacts, which will be all of the members in the department. And you can just click through the tabs and learn as you go. Now, when you get over here to settings, you'll have the option to change your password. And like I said before, we all have the exact same password, so you want to make sure you come over here and change your password to something else. Here we are back on Glenham Fire Department's members area page. If you struggle creating a username and password, please don't hesitate to reach out to either myself, Mark Matthews Sr., Mark Matthews Jr., or Dave Dross, and we'll help you out to the best of our ability. This site is going to be an excellent way to not only communicate with our community, but also communicate with each other, whether that's drills, announcements, training, or whatever it may be. So we want to make sure that everybody has a good grasp on understanding how to use the website properly. We are going to have a special meeting going over exactly all of the nuances and really cool features of both the website and the members area. But until we do get to that point, hopefully this video was enough. Like I said, if you are still having a hard time, please reach out to one of us and we'll help you out. But until then, thank you for watching. Hopefully it helped a little bit.